I would like to draw the door frame for this bathroom using the path command, but I would also like to discuss the capabilities of rotating the UCS based on an axis. Currently, the UCS is placed so that I can continue drawing on the floor plan, but I need to change that so that I can draw a path that represents the frame of the bathroom door. I could very easily select front as the UCS, and when I select that, you can see that the UCS has changed. Another way I can do that is by selecting X-axis rotate UCS. This means that I can rotate the UCS about the X-axis, or I could select Y or Z. But I know that I need to rotate it about the X-axis. So I'm going to select this icon. Command line indicates to specify rotation angle about the X-axis. And again, if you use your right hand, take your thumb, point it in the positive direction of the X-axis. And if you let your fingers curl naturally, they will come towards you, and that indicates the positive rotation. So 90 degrees is correct. I will simply enter, and you can see how the UCS has changed. It indicates unnamed. You could, of course, select it and provide it with a new name, and it will be part of your list. I'm going to leave it alone for now. I'm going to change this to a flat shaded mode. I have already made the 3D door frame the current layer. Selecting polyline, selecting this point, going up, I'm going to turn ortho on, and I need to go up a total of 6 feet 10 inches. The door will be 6 feet 8 inches plus 2 inches for the frame. Selecting 6 feet 10 inches, taking it across, shift right click for perpendicular, and then bringing it down. Setting the UCS back to world, drawing the rectangle, zoom previous, extrude, typing L for last. The object is found. I will enter. Using P for path. I'm going to hold down the control key and cycle through the edge and the polyline to make sure that I pick the polyline. So with the control key held down, left clicking, releasing the control key, left clicking again. This time it does select the polyline. I will now enter, and I have the frame. Putting in the door is very simple from this point on. And of course, you still have the path in place. If you'd like to, you can leave it, or it can be erased. I'm going to select it, erase it, zoom in, and move the frame back to its location. Now typically a frame does come out a little bit from the wall, so I'm going to select extrude faces. I'd like to extrude this face, enter, and let's say 1/2 inch. And now with the hidden mode on, I begin to generate a little bit more detail.